Low Carb Survival Kit. If you are on any kind of low carb, keto, paleo or similar diet, you are going to want to see this. Here's your chance to finally make good on that resolution or goal. No more excuses. It's hard to figure out what you can eat or not, how to do everything correctly and basically stay on track with your diet and lifestyle choice. Then throw in life. Yes, life happens, making it even harder to succeed. It's one thing to be on a low-carb diet lifestyle when you are at home, but life happens. We get busy. We get out. We go places and have people over. So I put this low-carb survival kit together to give you the best chance of succeeding on this lifestyle choice. With these tools and information, you can succeed. You are armed to battle most life challenges that you'll have to face on your low-carb diet, and win. Oh no. It's almost summer, how will I ever fit into my swimsuit? Don't worry. Help is on the way with low-carb high-fat for weight loss included in your low-carb survival kit. One of the main reasons people start a low-carb, high-fat diet is to lose weight. With this report, you can discover the best ways to lose weight and burn fat on a low-carb, high-fat diet and maintain it. For many people, with pretty much every season, a new season of trying to lose weight begins. Everything from trusted old plans to brand new fads are dusted off and tried on by people eager to shed a few pounds. And every few years a new diet hits the news and blows up into a big sensation. But in reality, there are very few combinations of patterns that compose diets. All diets work by ensuring we create a calorie deficit, usually by getting us to eat less. They can do this by encouraging us to suppress our appetite, encouraging us to count and use our willpower, encouraging us to eat foods that fill us longer. Here, we are exploring how low-carbohydrate, high-fat diets work to suppress our appetites and fill us up, making it easy to lose weight with minimal exercise and without counting points, calories, or portions. Oh no. We're eating out tonight. Now what do I do? Don't worry. Help is on the way with 35 tips to go low-carb when eating out included in your low-carb survival kit. Smart choices and planning are the keys to your success. How to eat out and enjoy a social life and still maintain your low-carb lifestyle. Despite popular opinion, eating out while living a low-carb lifestyle doesn't have to be painful and you don't have to feel guilty when enjoying your meals. It is entirely possible to enjoy delicious, amazing food while you are eating out and still lose weight. Whether you travel a lot or enjoy eating out infrequently, it's easy to be caught off guard, which can lead to carb overload. By planning ahead and making thoughtful choices, you can find low-carb options at any restaurant. Oh no. It's the holidays, what can I do? Don't worry. Help is on the way with easy low-carb cooking for the holidays included in your low-carb survival kit. It not only has holiday recipes but many strategies for sticking to your low-carb lifestyle during the holidays. Along with many holiday recipes, we will also be discussing strategies how to maintain your low-carb lifestyle even during the holidays, to continue to lose weight and to prevent yourself from gaining any weight despite all of these seasonal temptations. The toughest time of the year for any dieter is the autumn and winter holidays that in the USA start in the middle of October. Many people celebrate Halloween with lots of cookies, candy, and other sweet treats. Others celebrate harvest festivals in order to make the most of fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables, which they unfortunately tend to douse in sugar and fat. In the US we observe Thanksgiving in late November, Hanukkah in November or December, and Christmas or Kwanzaa in late December. The merrymaking goes on right through to New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. There is such a culture of food in the US in that every occasion seems to merit a huge meal and all sorts of festive family favorites and traditional dishes that we all start to expect and see not as a treat but as an essential part of the celebration. Oh no. I'm dying for some junk food, help. Don't worry. Help is on the way with 40 ways to overcome junk food cravings included in your low-carb survival kit. Is junk food taking control of your health? Beat it once and for all with hands-on strategies. Many individuals have problems with eating excessive amounts of food that is bad for them. These days, it's getting pretty hard to eat healthy when we're surrounded with so many fast food restaurants, and when we're constantly seeing commercials for new delicious-looking snacks on TV. Most of the time, people tend to overeat not when they're starving, but when they're bored. After all, most people think that there's nothing more satisfying than grabbing a snack you can munch on while watching your new favorite show on Netflix. However, once you get a chance to experience how your life will improve after you find a way to overcome your junk food cravings, you will see that you were wrong all along. People crave these types of foods because when you consume them, certain chemicals like dopamine get released, which in turn make you feel really good. Since junk foods create a rush of euphoria, your brain starts signaling that it constantly wants to experience that same feeling over and over. Most people know why junk food is bad for them. It causes obesity, depression, diabetes, nutrient deficiencies, dementia, and can lead to a number of other health problems, which is why we're going to get right into how you can overcome your cravings for these types of foods. Oh no. I have to go grocery shopping. I can't think of everything I should or shouldn't get. Don't worry. Help is on the way with 148 low-carb foods shopping list, with cheat sheet included in your low-carb survival kit. It's a PDF cheat sheet and infographic with a list of foods with carb grams to check off for shopping with a handy one-sheet infographic that divides foods into the different food groups. Oh no. How in the world do I keep up with all the carb grams? Don't worry. Help is on the way with Atkins Carb Gram Counter included in your low-carb survival kit. It provides a carb gram counter that lists foods by category. You will find portion sizes, total carbs, net carbs, fat, protein and calories for each of the listed food items. Oh no. I'm not sure which foods to avoid that have high carbs. Don't worry. Help is on the way with 144 foods to avoid on a low-carb diet with checklist and cheat sheet included in your low-carb survival kit. The list of food is divided into the different food groups for easy reference. Uh-oh. Oops. I think I made a mistake on my low-carb diet. Don't worry. Help is on the way with 10 most common low-carb diet mistakes, with infographic included in your low-carb survival kit. You receive an ebook and infographic. For a hassle-free, healthy transition into a low-carb diet, make sure you're avoiding these common mistakes. Oh no. I can't remember which foods are high or low on the glycemic index (GI) scale. Don't worry. Help is on the way with the glycemic index included in your low-carb survival kit. Everything you need to know in support of your low-carb lifestyle. The glycemic index is a tracking system that measures a food's ability to raise blood glucose levels. The GI scale was developed in order to more specifically rank carbs, and how each will affect blood glucose levels after intake as is relevant to the referent carb of pure glucose. Oh no. If I can't have this ingredient or food, what can I have? Don't worry. Help is on the way with 100 low-carb swaps with PDF and 2 infographics included in your low-carb survival kit. These swap ideas will help you make better choices for your low-carb lifestyle. Now there's no more excuses.